Well, hello. If you've been following the course, this class is going to feel like just a little dream for you. Very easy, very simple. We're just going to relax. Let's just take a nice inhale and exhale. Well, hello, Paka. Yes, we're relaxing. No cats and cow today. Oh, inhale, shoulder up, bring them back, maybe a few times. I'm sitting on a blanket right now. You can do that, little pillow. Maybe you're on your chair, it's all good. We're just gonna breathe. You can close your eyes, keep them open, keep them halfway open. And we're gonna pretend we are on a raft. Just a little raft, very shallow water. You can put your hand down and you can feel the bottom. Yeah. Looking around at the fish. Water is super clear. We can see everything. Wow, all the shape of the rocks, their colors, the pretty fish swimming around. Looking up, blue sky. Oh, yes. Nice. Trees around us, pines, oaks. Beautiful scenery, very peaceful. And we're barely moving, but we are. The tree that was there is a little past now. I see my pine tree just over here. Nice big solid oak is now all over here. So we're moving very slowly. It's super relaxing, quiet, but the sound of birds. If you pay attention, you can even hear the tiny little wave. Looking at the ripples, seeing a fish jump, seeing a bird diving down, coming back up with something. Bon appétit. Just breathing, just being happy to be where we are right now at this moment. Oh. And we arrive at destination. Short little ride, but just long enough to get where we want to go. Feeling more relaxed in our body, feeling more relaxed in our head, and being ready to continue the rest of the day. Thank you very much for joining me today. If you wish to continue, just click the end screen and just keep adding to your little class today. Thank you very much and namaste.